Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here I got a one trade, but I exited early because of this candle, right? These two candle. Okay, the logic was so simple. On 5 minute time frame or in 15-minute time frame, it's like a wedge pattern. Market was at top and it was constantly taking support, right? Sorry, resistance, right? So over here you can clearly see after this red candle I just shorted, like I bought PE and candle high was my stop loss, right? So the stop loss was not get triggered, but like it was consolidating and here it was again consolidating, so it was like previous support over here. So that's why I booked profit over there, right? Currently you can clearly see it has went to almost like 156, right? And I exited somewhere around in this region, which is like around like 123 124, right? So here I booked almost like a very small profit, 2 3 rupees or 4 rupees profit over here, I guess. And it has went up to like 30 rupees over here, right? You can clearly see the fall over here, right? Just look at this fall, right? And this pattern has also worked. Now it is now at pivot, and I don't think so like there is a buying opportunity or anything such, like, because you can clearly see as per the strategy we have these things, right? High broken, you have to go for buy entry, that is buying trade. And low broken, here there is a weak, big weak, but here the selling side scenario, so that's how I tried over here, right? So talking about my risk reward in this trade, it is like 1:1 I booked, but in option because of consolidation, and I entered right after the you can see right after the big red candle, right? So here I think I entered somewhere around here, so I got a higher price and I booked almost like 124 125 level, right? Because it was consolidating, it has made some you can see like dojis or a wick candle over here at that time. And the second candle is like making green candle, so that's why I exited, right, in this that trade, right? Okay, we can see over here bank nifty has just broken out this level and now taking support at this level. Nifty is already down. I think there might be some other sector which trying to push nifty down. We can clearly see this trend line has broken out. I will hide this pivot points, right? So here we got our one pivot target, right? From one pivot, which is almost like around 50 plus points, right? So here we miss that profit. If I hold that quantity, might be 10k profit over here, because it's like 30 rupees over here, right? Okay, there is no buying scenario as of now. I can short Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty, which is like 38,500 put option, right? We'll see stop loss and we can take trade right over here. Quantity I bought at 354 or buy without looking at chart. I don't know where is that chart, or right. Okay, here itself, right? So we'll go with this here in position over here. Try to exit. I'll see bank nifty bank over here, right? Actually I was not ready for this trade, right? But still I traded. That's fine, because there is no chart open for bank nifty right over here. You can clearly see if this gets broken out, then definitely it has to test the low, right? But we'll see how we can plan our trade over here, right? You can clearly see it is taking support over here. Actually this chart is not that much good, right? Okay, over here we can see there is a big fall. I guess my network has stopped over here, so I will try to book profit. Okay, just look at this right over here. It is flowing down. I don't know, might be news over there, but it is flowing. Just look at this. Nifty has also given some negative signs over here, right? So I'm booking this much profit because this is like a good profit for me. Even you can see bank nifty is slightly taking support over here, right? So 5k profit has wiped out to 3k 4k over here. Just look at this, right? Here it has a very negative pressure over here, so we will hold this trade, right? I think these charts are not that much good. Okay, let's look at this over here, right? Just look at this. From profit of 5k, it went up to like cost to cost over here, right? And we entered at this candle, right? Even market is down, still we are in a like a small profit over here, right? Just look at this. Okay, we'll see how market reacts to this level. Like it has to go down and it has to test this level, which is like okay. We have not seen this. Just look at this. There is a small support over here, right? And that's why it is taking support over there, right? So definitely we'll see 5 minute time frame over here. Just look at this, right? So it is slowly moving up. We don't know where it will. Okay, Nifty has already fallen big, so that's why we can't hold this trade for longer target. Even you can see over here. So I'm booking this much profit because it has given me a good profit of almost like around okay, it is going down. Okay. It has a very like latest swing over here, right? So if it falls from top, it will take some retracement and then it will move down, right? So we don't want to lose that much profit over here, right? You can see currently for okay, it has broken down, I guess. Not broken down here in Zerodha. Just look at it, has broken down the resistance right over here. Okay, it has given like it has broken down that support, so I will try to book profit at this level, right? And that's a good profit because you can clearly see over here, just look at it, is making wicks at that level, right? Okay, 5000 6200, that's a good profit and risk reward for our trade. Actually I wanted to hold that, but because of Nifty has already fallen much, so that's why I'm not going to hold that position right over here. So talking about entry exit, I'll see over here to 350 and 377, right? So here you can clearly see market going down, and like if I wait and hold this trade like at this level, right? So definitely I will hold with this small stop loss. But here I entered a bit here, and even this candle went a small up. I was like in cost to cost, so that's why like option premiums are very volatile, right? Okay, we'll see over here. Booked a good gain today over here, and I can close my day over here also. Like here, I missed this trade, which is like this right here. Just look at this. This is almost went without any confirmation. So if I don't exit at this level, definitely it will be like a good profit to me, right? So here, if I go in this chart, I've entered at 120 level, I guess 120 level. Yes, right, 120 level, and because of that one single mistake I exited in that trade, right? So 120 to 180, almost not even 180, but I can clearly see like from 120 level I can hold till this, which is like almost like 150 level, right? 30 rupees. So it will be like 20 25,000 profit for today. Even you can see Nifty is still weak and Nifty is going down, but Bank Nifty is still consolidating, right? So that's why I did not waited over here. This was just scalping trade. Don't who Those who don't know scalping trade, the scalping trade um, is like within a 2 3 minute or within a few seconds also, right? Even like I saw this much selling pressure in Nifty, but there was no stop loss, but here I can see it was holding this level, right? If Nifty falls, Bank Nifty has to give some signs, right? So because of this I entered somewhere around here with the same candle has stop loss, right? It has given me good profit, but I did not book, right, this much profit, right? Again it came up, again it came down, and here I did not took risks because that was only scalping trade, right? Even if you see currently, where is that, it is at 380 level, right? And we exited at 377, and this much profit is like very good profit. Even if you see, this is almost like 8% 9% profit for the day, right? So that's why you have to book a small gains consistently, right over here. I can definitely take entry at this level also, because these are just small candles, right? Over here, just look at it, is at 387, so 10 points higher than, right? You can clearly see liquidity also, there is a less liquidity over here, right? We'll see like if we get any entry, we can definitely take. But here we can clearly see this is the support zone, right? So market will consolidate because of this fall, right? If I calculate this fall, just look at this, how much it is. It is almost like 200 fall. So market will not go directly for 300 400 rupees, right? So it will consolidate. Just look at Nifty has fallen 100 plus point right over here. Just look at it, is at the same level, right? So here I wanted to try at this level, right? But we were not sure, so we tried at this level, right? So at this level we tried and we exited around 377, right? We exited at 380 itself, but we exited at market price, so that's why our entry got exited at 377, I guess. Okay, just look at this, this is expected, right? So this is not we can say this is a retest also, but because after this fall these candles are expected, these are profit booking candles, or you can clearly see. Okay, we'll see in, just look at this candle is almost like 50 plus points, right? So it will wipe out our whole profit, and we will be like in loss, right? Not in loss because we are cost to cost over here, but we will miss that profit right over there. We'll see Nifty first, because Nifty has already given a good move today. Just look at this, right? So our stop loss, we're talking about the stop loss, which is almost like 20 rupees. It has hit at 100 rupees, 80 rupees target, right? And here the first target was like this one. You can clearly see this one was the first target, this one was the second, and this one. Okay, as of now, there will be like no opportunity till afternoon or till any pattern, because after the big fall, big retracement is needed. Market will never fall in a single way, right? Here, definitely we can try Bank Nifty, because we can see Bank Nifty is positive and Nifty is negative, right? Just look at Bank Nifty is 110, 15 points negative, right? Oh, sorry, positive, and Bank Nifty is negative, right? Sorry, Nifty is negative, Bank Nifty is positive. Okay, I'll stop video here, and if I get any opportunity, I will resume it again. Uh, Hello guys, welcome back. So I got an opportunity to trade again over here. For Nifty, I was not sure, but Nifty has given a good rally today, good move today. Just look at this. So these are the possible trade, which are like over here after this breakdown. But I entered a bit early in this candle itself, so that's why I did not hold it for more time, right? So if I enter at this level, definitely I will hold for 2-3 minutes more. Okay, I will go in trading view over here, right? If I see over here, like if I tell you over here, so I entered after this candle, right? After this candle I entered over here, right? So as I entered here, so these are like 10 minutes, right? 10-11 minutes. So that's why I was worried about that trade, right? The Nifty was not going down, right? But if I enter at this level, right? If I tell you, if I enter at this level, definitely I will hold this 2-3 minutes, because there is a mindset, right? So that mindset will previously I was holding a long time, right? So that's why it was showing me trade is not in your favor, right? You are a scalper, and here there is a time, right? Just look at this, how much time it is, almost like 10-11 minutes, right? So that's why I exited here, right? And after that it just consolidated for 2 minutes, and then it has given a hammer candle, right? So I was not able to enter in that trade again, because I exited at 124, and here I was getting at 130, 134, I guess, right? So here I missed 10 point, and my stop loss was just like 15 points, right? So 25 rupees stop loss. I even not tried with only one dot, because my target is just like this, so 12 points, right? So I don't know it will break or it will go like this, right? So that's why I did not try it at this level. But here it has given a good fall. Definitely I will book at this candle itself, right? Because just look at this, selling, 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 and after this big candle I can expect a pullback, right? Just look at this. So this was almost like 50 points, so I can expect a small pullback. So here I would have like booked profit at that level, right? But here I missed that trade, and market came down over here, and then it has given a retracement, right? So at this level I saw Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty was just like around at this level, right? Sorry, at this level, right? So as soon as this candle was closing at downside, I just entered with a very small stop loss, because I know that Nifty has to travel very down, because it has clearly shown a negative sign, right? And it has broken day low. So for Bank Nifty it has to come at day low, right? So here I entered and I exited somewhere around here, right, itself, because it was giving me a good profit, and that was the only scalping trade. A quick momentum has happened, almost like 50-60 point, and I captured that. Again market went up. If I hold, I will be like cost to cost over in within 1 minute, right? So that's why I did not hold, because it was just a scalping. Nifty was trendy, so that's why Bank Nifty has to give some downside fall also, right? Even you can see after this up move, I can clearly see up move in Nifty also. But Nifty was not did not went up to like retest level. Actually the retest level which I am expecting, like Fibo levels, but it did not went up to over there, it just went down from this level, right? Just look at this. And here after this candle, just look at this, this is a big candle, right? So this is a very big candle, and the stop loss is very much, so that's why I thought I can definitely try Bank Nifty. So here I guess I entered somewhere around here in the Bank Nifty over here, and I booked profit at this level, right? At this level. So here at this level, let's see on chart, right? So here I entered somewhere around at this level, over here, right? At this candle, right? So I entry got triggered over here, or somewhere around in middle of this, and I exited at 360, 70, 365, I guess, over here, right? Because if you see Bank Nifty went down from this level. Just look at this level, which is like 948 candle, right? So 948 is like this candle, it was down, but this option did not went that much up, so that's why I exited early in that trade, right? And that was so simple, just like it came down, it has hit the target, but I did not put it back, because that was a very like scalping trade over here, right? And it was also giving me a good profit. This time I just reduced my quantity, and it has given me almost like 4-5k over here, right? uh, just look at this. The quantity is 475, right? So first time I guess 175 or something, and second time I guess might be, we'll see over here, right? So 275 first time, and second time only 200 quantity, right? My entry at 238, you can see over here 238 was my entry price over here, right? Sorry, 338 I guess, right? Just look at this. So here I entered somewhere around in this candle right over here. Just look at this. At this level I entered over here. Okay, I'll pause video. I got a call over here. Okay, we have booked profit like 14,000 today in only one account. Second account I did not got a time to log in also, right? So definitely I would have traded in that account also. Okay, I'll see over here. Just look at this. There are no position, no orders. All positions are blank over here, right? Okay, and Nifty, like if you see Bank Nifty is clearly in a uptrend. I can try Bank Nifty for buying also, because clearly see the bullish momentum over here, right? Is how much fund in this account I have? Maybe 40K. Okay, move ahead, man. Okay, 42K is there, right? We'll see. I think because of this, we have increased our stop loss, right? I'll see over here. Just look at Nifty is still downside, but here Bank Nifty looking strong. That's why we are trying. Just look at this. HDFC Bank went up, Axis Bank went up, ICICI only consolidating at this level. SBI is bit down today, right over here. But here, just look at the price action over here, right? Just look at this, right? So this is trying to give breakout. I will definitely not try. I will avoid, because we have made a good profit today, right? Yesterday I think I booked a loss of 4.5k right over here, and today we booked a good gain. Actually, if this trade was on, definitely I would have made a good profit today, but that was my mistake, that I did not trail my entry, right? So if I tell you, if I trail my entry at cost to cost over here, which is like 120 level, definitely I would have booked almost 30 plus points in this trade, right? So 120 point something over here. So definitely if I get exit at 150 level, I would have made 24K, right? Okay, that's fine, nothing to worry about that. We can clearly see up move now need a consolidation and small candles over here. Just look at this. So it has went almost like 14 rupees up. So we are trying 100 quantity, so 1500 rupees profit currently running in this trade over here, right? We'll see where market goes and how much it gives to us, right? You can clearly see Nifty has given a good fall. Just look at this, right? So okay, we have to measure the fall, right? So it's almost like first 87 points, second is almost like 60 points, right? So here you have to go with the risk reward ratio. So here if I tell you, like, definitely you can try multiple entries with the same stop loss, trend line and pivot support. So here 1 is to 2, right? But in option definitely you will have get 1 is to 3 4 also, because if you see this graph over here, it is only showing 1 is to 2, right? But if you check over here, just look at this. So here you got an entry chance, your stop loss is just like 7 rupees, and here it went up to 1 is to 4.5 because of that momentum only, right? I am taking only up to 937. Just look at, guys, at 937. So this candle, right? At this candle, option went 1 is to 4.7, right? So this is how these are the lucky days where you get good momentum and good risk reward. Until then, you have to just wait for 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, and reversal, right? If you find any reversal, just book the profit 1 is to 1 or 1 is to 1.5, 1 is to 2. Definitely you can have a good profit at the end of month, right? You can clearly see Nifty is now making small candles, but here just look at this. This is a huge fall. Just look at 150 points, right? So 150 points, now we need a retracement. Just look at this. So retracement would be not 0.236 or 0.382. It must be around this level, right? So this level consolidation, it will hit, and then it will make a pattern, then it will give breakdown retest, and then it will move down. So we need a structure like this over here, right? If I delete this Fibo, just look at this. This is now at this resistance level 0.5 and 0.618 level, right? So we'll see, just look at this, right? So here what we need is, so we market has to glow so and slow and steadily upside this, then it has to spend time over here, then it has to make any pattern like head and shoulder or any pattern, and then if it is gives breakdown and retest, definitely we can try. But here at this level, you will not get that much points in options, and you will not get that much more, right? You have to book 1:1 only here, because there is no any confirmation over here, because market didn't like never went down like this, right? So if you see this falling wedge pattern breakout and retest has excellently done. Just look at this, sorry, rising wedge pattern, right? Just look at this rising wedge pattern breakout, breakdown, sorry, breakdown, retest, and it went down over here, right? For bank nifty also, you can clearly see it has made a range over here, so we have drawn all this range over here, but it is strong enough, right? Just look at this, nifty still going down with a very good pressure. Just look at this, so from 193 it is 203, so it is of no use. 200 rupees strike price, it is of no use. We can try 18,300 over here, yeah, right? Just look at this, so here your stop loss is like 7 rupees, your 9 rupees target got hit, definitely you have to book profit, right? Just look at this, right? And you don't need to take entry at this level, because just look at this is a very big stop loss, right? 30 rupees stop loss is a very big stop loss. Definitely we can try, just look at this breakout has happened, we can definitely try PE entry over here, which is like 38,500 only, right? Okay, we'll buy some quantity at this level. We have 42k in our pocket, right? So we can buy 100 quantity, so I have bet 100 quantity. I guess I did not waited for closing of this candle, because just look at it, 10 seconds remaining, so definitely we can take trade, and our target will be like this one, right? Sell, this one will be like our target, right? Because market is in a downtrend, and we have like very small, not a very small stop loss, we have a big stop loss over here, but definitely we can try this 5k risk right over here with trend, right? Just look at this, nifty is now at double top, double bottom, sorry. And here you can see where how this is our pattern, right? Just look at this, so stop loss is just like this over here, which is like 52 points in options also, and target will be like this one we have to take, because this has, okay, we'll hold our trade. Just look at this, it has hit multiple times, right? So definitely it can break also. Nifty has already broken down this resistance, right? For nifty there is a support line, we'll draw in here also, right? We'll draw here, which is like this, right? This will act as a good support for nifty right over here first, and definitely we are missing this trade, right? Because of previous fall, right? Just look at it, has broken down this also, it is now at here. Okay, we'll see, it has to cross this, I guess, but we don't know, we are not sure. It will like after 3 tries, 1 2 3, it is now fourth try, right? Just look at this, from a profit of almost 1500, I guess. Yeah, sorry, 2000 rupees, it went up to like 1000 only, right? If nifty takes support, then definitely bank nifty will consolidate here, and here we can see decay or anything like this, right? We'll see how much is their movement. Okay, it's 80 point, right? So it has to go at yesterday's low, we will see. Okay, it is now at yesterday's low. Just look at this, guys, it is at yesterday's low, near to yesterday's low, right? It is just how much point? It is just 59 points over there, but it is only at this level, right? So it has to break this level with a very good volume, and then it can go till this, which is like 424, right? So we'll reduce our target, right? Definitely we'll go, we'll follow our risk reward ratio also. It is like 1 is to 1.5 over here, right? Okay, nifty is still going down, we can clearly see over here, it has hitted almost 1 is to 2.5, I guess. 1 is to 4, sorry, how much stop loss? 10 rupees. 1 is to 2.5, right over here. We'll see bank nifty how it goes over here, because of this only, if I tell you in okay, just look at this, so here it has a resistance. Just look at this, 380 390 level, it has a resistance, and now second resistance is at we can say it is at 420 level, 430, sorry, 430 429 level, right? 425 we can say, a round number over here. But like if it is go down, definitely it can hit 100 150 more points also. But here Nifty is already down, Bank Nifty is holding that level, so that's why a bit confusing trade, right? But here if falls, it will give a big candle, I guess. Okay, this is the last minute, right? So definitely after this candle there will be like big momentum, right? In this candle itself, right? If you see, this candle has closed red and now it has to give some sign, right? So we will be like ready to trail our target or to book our. Okay, I will draw, like I will take it as okay, how much we have previously, 490, right? So I will modify it to 427, right? We'll see over here how much point it is, almost like 56 points over there, right? Okay, it is taking support over here because Nifty has to consolidate and Bank Nifty will try to move up. Looking strong at this level, which is like around 38,300. It has to break, like it has to go down from this level, right? It has to at least give a big red candle at 38,270 level, right? So that there will be like panic selling in that also. We'll see bank charts over here. HDFC Bank strong, ICICI Bank has given a negative sign, SBI and already negative, Axis Bank is consolidating at this level, right? So if this HDFC Bank and Axis Bank gives negative sign, definitely Bank Nifty will move down, right? As per the price action, we have to book our profit because that's what we have planned. If it consolidates, we have to book profit, but this consolidation candles are very small within the range, so that's why we are holding our trade, right? Okay, we'll see. We can definitely try big targets also over here, and that's what we have planned. Like it can hit 60 70 point from this level, which is almost like 440 level, right? But we are not that much, we will not hold for that much target. We will just book with our yesterday's low or yesterday's swing, which is like at this level, right? Okay, you can clearly see market has given a downfall, but it is not sustaining at that level, right? Just look at this. So after this fall, there must be a 20 30 rupees up move. Okay, I think yeah, I don't know whether it will hit my target or not, but we have to wait, right? So our entry is at this level, our target is like 7,000 rupees for this trade, right? Okay, currently 1 is to 1 running over here, right? You can clearly see 1 is to 1 running over here. Nifty has again given a breakdown. I think it has to give a big red candle and it has to hit big target for Bank Nifty, right? Because clearly see, just look at this, man. It has to hit almost 100 points, right? So it will move 50 points, which is 50 55 points, right? Okay, we have already a big target over here. Okay, as per the price action, just look at this market. It has like near to previous day low, which is like 30 rupees only, right? And these option prices are 60 rupees away from the yesterday low, right? So this must be trading at 415 level, but it is not trading. So this is time decay, you can say. Just look at this. So market again given a false breakout. Just look at this. If this becomes engulfing, then we have to exit, right? Because this is a good sign, right? For up move. Okay, we'll see over here 1500. We'll go in 1 minute time frame. Just look at this. It is trying to go, like it is trying to make it as an engulfing candle, and still Bank Nifty, sorry, Nifty has also given a good sign over here, right? Just look at this. We'll see. I think this chart is not refreshing over here. Video length is almost like 28 minutes. Just look at this, guys. I have to see bank charts over here. Okay, Axis Bank going up. SBIN has given a breakdown, but okay, because of SBIN, I guess this has went down. Okay, taking resistance, taking support, right? It has a weak at that level. Just look at this, it is shooting up, right? So I think instead of taking target, I have to place a stop loss for this trade. We'll see how. Okay, currently closed good. You can see over here is not moving up. Options are not moving that much up over here. Even just look at this, fire charts are also good, but this Nifty, sorry, this charts not looks good to me, right? Okay, 1,000 rupees running only profit over here. Just look at this, we have shorted at this level, guys, right? 50 rupees, so this must be 2,500 rupees running, right? But it is not even 2,500 rupees running over here, right? Just look at this. We'll see over here bank stocks over here. HDFC Bank, okay, just stay at that level right over here. Okay, for this Nifty movement, Bank Nifty has to travel almost 350, more than 300 rupees movement, right? The 350 rupees movement right over here. But what Nifty, like Bank Nifty doing just 100 rupees movement. Just look at this. So I'm not risking this much profit in this trade, right? I'm exiting at cost to cost, but after the signs right over here, after the signs. So it is now at retest level, right? Just look at this. These candles are not expected. These are the bullish candles. This is saying bullish pressure over here, and even Nifty can move as per our plan, which I have said, like it can move 0.5% or something over there, right? Just look at this. It has given from 2000 rupees profit. It is now at 400 rupees negative. So it is like 3000 rupees profit for me, but now we are at loss of. Now we have to try a breakout trade over here. Just look at this 5 minute candle, right? We'll see 15-minute candlestick pattern over here. Just look at this. So it has not given a breakdown from this level, right? Just look at this, right? Now this is where we entered, like at this level we entered, but we are here at a 600 rupees loss. Just look at this. Okay, we'll see over here. It has again came in pattern, in this pattern over here, right? Currently in a 600 rupees, like we can say I have to take a sell down, right? 4000 rupees a sell, I guess we have to take that. We can clearly see HDFC Bank positive, Axis Bank positive, and these two banks just holded their position, right? They are not down, they are not up. Now it, like just look at this. At this candle we entered 1016, right? So here we entered at this candle, right? So and still it is now 900 rupees negative for me. Okay, we'll see. I think I have to cut video. I will cut and then upload it, right? Okay, I'm likely to square off my position. Just look at this. Nifty went a very much bullish upside, and Bank Nifty is still trying at that level, right? So if I get at cost to cost, definitely I have to try to exit at my cost, right? Because just look at this. Okay, Nifty it has resistance. Bank Nifty is also at resistance, right? But the scenario is different. Like just look at this is a fall now need retracement, right? And Bank Nifty is not uh, ready to fall, right? So that's why I have to exit, right? There is no any other reason, right? So we'll try to exit at this level, right? If even if you see over, the reason is so simple. Nifty is weak, Bank Nifty is not weak, right? So if Bank Nifty is weak, then definitely I will hold my trade till my stop loss, right? But the thing is that Bank Nifty is strong. Even if you see banks, Axis Bank has given negative sign, SBI and HDFC is still okay. HDFC it is at resistance, right? But here I can't try like I don't want to hold and risk my profit, right? So here it has given me 1:1 profit, and I want to book that 1:1 profit over there, right? We can clearly see where it is at. Okay, here itself, right? Just look at this. These are the small candles, right? So after this book, just look at this over here, right? If I tell you over here, I will delete this, right? These are the big red candles, and these are the small green, sorry, these are the big green candles, and these are the small red candles, right? So market can up move anytime, right? So that's why I'm trying to book profit, right? And here up move retracement, and then it will move up, right? So I will not risk that much profit. I will just book my profit at this level right over here. Okay, I have uh, placed order at that point. Just look at this. Market is not trying to go down. Market is taking. Just look at this. So here I have to exit at market price over here, right? Which is like almost at this level. Definitely okay. Hit my entry. It has shown me 300 rupees positive, I guess. Just look at this bullish momentum, right? So that's why I have told. So I'm trying to exit, but I think my setup is now giving me some. Just look at this, right? So here, just look at this bullish momentum, right? So this has given like this is showing clearly showing a bullish momentum pressure for this, right? Just look at this, right? So it has like from profit I wanted to book at I wanted to book profit, but here it is giving me a small loss over here, right? A small loss is almost like 1,000 rupees negative, right? Even I entered at the same level, I am now trying to book loss, right? Just look at this. Just look at this, guys. That's why I okay, nothing to worry about. That might be 2k loss over there. We'll see over here. Just look at this. Just a silly mistake, guys, right? Just look at this. Now it is at stop loss, right? Over here. Just look at this. And Nifty has did the same thing. Just look at this, right? So if I exit from that trade and if I entered in that trade, definitely I would have made a good profit, right? So here there is of it is of no use. I have to cancel this order, right? Just look at this. It is now giving a breakout, and it has given a good breakout. Now we are in a loss of almost 2k rupees, right? So 2k loss over there running, and it is of no use. Just look at this. Now it is trying to give breakout, right? So I have to try breakout trade instead of holding this trade right over here. So booking a loss of 1,500 rupees in this trade. Actually it is at cost to cost in index, but here it is at somewhere negative, right? So I'm closing with a 1,000 rupees loss over here. Okay, 1,000 rupees. That's what I told you guys, right? So this can be a fake out also, but here the thing is that I have to exit. I did not exited on time, right? So that is my mistake. Booked a loss of 1,000 rupees in this trade. Exited at 345. It is at 345. Nothing to worry about that, right? Definitely we will wait here for strong signs to take trade, right? I will add CE both here. Just look at this is the CE graph over here, and this is the PE, right? So we can definitely take entry over here. So this was the like just look at this is a very small stop loss, right? But talking about the target, my target was just like 80 points at 70 80 points over there, right?